Hey everyone, welcome to this Wednesday stock analysis. So let's go over some charts here for the coming trading day. I want to cover some scalps that I did, and I want to start with the scalp area. So yesterday the markets made this very nice bullish pattern right above this triple moving average, as you can see, and today we opened flat on the morning session. So as you can see, this bullish pattern played out nicely. Where did it went? To this gap fill area. Now from this pattern I played two scalps this morning. I want to start with the first one, Walter Energy. I was talking this week in my weekend video that Walter could see some buyers this week. And as you can see, the same as the SPY here, the same pattern. You always want to trade with the trend. So as you can see, this candle hold above this dual moving average. My entry was right here, right at this 50 moving average. I only bought a half position to secure myself, and as you can see, we got a nice pop from this point on. I made 10 and 15 cents on it. And then the other scalp that I did was JP. As you can see, also a nice inside bar pattern right here on this 20 and 50 moving average. This was my entry just on the pierce of this on the moving average, 51.02, and as you can see, it was almost the low of the day, and we saw some nice buyers came in JP Morgan in the financials. Okay, now I want to go over back to the SPY here. I want to start with the daily chart. As you can see on this daily chart, we still have a nice in spirit of bear flag. We got this down move. Now we're trading just below this dual moving average. Now I'm wondering where we'll see a close tomorrow. If we will test this this necktie, this can be a short. Be aware to play it only with the small position because we have Friday. Most of the time Fridays are low volume days, so let's see tomorrow if we can grab a short around this 166.33. And your stop loss on this play will be any close above this this 167.41. This will be your stop out area. On the upside, the next big support resistance that I see will be this gap fill, 168.76, and then double top. My expectation is that we can see a down move again in this market, and my ultimate goal for this will be my first level, this pivot low right here, the 160.47, and then the 200 moving average. Now let's go over some other plays here that I'm still holding. I'm still holding a half position SLV short. As you can see from my call last week, we saw a 3-bar sell-off and then a bounce again yesterday. And as you can see today, it's trading back to where I covered my first half position. So I'm still looking to cover my second position right here at this daily 20 moving average is going together with this pivot low here. So we'll see if we can cover this second position tomorrow. Now let's go over Facebook here. Last week I got a small short position in Facebook, and as you can see, I covered my first position and stopped out on my second half here. Now let's go over some scalping levels for tomorrow. Let's start with the SPY intraday chart here. As you can see, today we tested the gap fill. We are just hovering around this area. On the upside, first resistance that I see for a scalp will be this pivot high around 167.30. We also got a small level right here, 166.93. This will be another area. And on the downside, first support that I see, We first got this 200 moving average, and just below this we got this level 164.17. And then the next level that I have will be this gap fill just below this pivot around 163.57, and then this double bottom. Now today I got a question from traders. Now, why would you only take 2 or 3 trades a day? Now, as a day trader, you don't step in 10-15 trades a day. You only pick the best setups, you trade them, make money, and then you will go chilling. Just enjoying life. So that was a question that I got through Twitter. Now let's go over Apple here for some scalping levels for tomorrow. So as you can see today on the open, Apple got to my 501.64 level. And as you can see on this daily chart, so we got this move up. Now we got this sideways channel, so we can see some action again tomorrow in Apple. On the upside, first resistance that I see will be this area, 508.23, and it can go as high as this 510 level. This will be my ultimate scalp short level. On the downside, first support will be this 200 moving average around 493, and then we have this gap fill around 488.62, and then this pivot low at 486. Now let's go over JP here for some scalping levels for tomorrow. As you can see, it's the same chart as Apple, so we got this big up move, sideways consolidation. So we can see another pop here tomorrow. First big resistance will be this 52.52, and then on the downside, first support that I see will be this 50 moving average. This will be a minor level. Then we got this this prior pivot high around 51.23, just below it the 200 moving average, and then the double bottom from today as the big support level. Okay guys, this was it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter for the upcoming mobile application. And I see you all tomorrow for a new update.